what's up, everybody? Brad and Brian with the Florida Trail Stompers and the Florida Jeep Boys. We're back here in the shop doing another product review. I think we're going to Mars. I don't know. What's this?
Brian, there's a lot of stainless here. We could be going to Mars, but this is a product from ICECO. As you know, we did a review on the ICECO fridge freezers, which is an amazing product.
It is.
We still run those in our rigs till this day. And this is their new portable barbecue pit. And we won't talk too much about it yet, but it makes pizza. We'll get into that. So
once again, you got my attention. Pizza.
I'm telling you, man. So for starters, we got real nice stainless construction. Never have to worry about it rusting. Everything is riveted together. No screws. You're going to have to worry about getting loose on you like some of the smaller barbecue pits on the market. As well as 4 legs at 2 different heights. And they're also throwing in their own nice stainless utensil set.
Man, you can't beat that.
This is real nice. This is a nice value right here in itself. So we're going to go ahead, bring you in closer, and we're going to get into the features of this thing. All right. So for starters, this is going to be a lid for smoking. So if you want something small in here and you want to smoke it, you can actually drop this lid down and it'll be your smoker. So here we have our barbecue pit itself. And this is really neat the way this works, because now you've got a warmer. You can easily get into the bottom of the base to put your coals. And then once you put your coals, you bring that back down and you can begin to cook. Like I said, everything is riveted on, so you don't have to worry about this thing coming loose. Now, one of the cool features, like I said, when you have the lid, it's going to be for smoke. Now, one of the really cool things about this is once you have it up on the legs, which we'll get into here in a second, you'll see that there is a guided track on here. Actually, this way. So you can see there's a track on there. And the reason why the pizza is upside down is you flip it upside down, and now you've got a baking tray that you can actually bake potatoes. You can throw small pizzas in here.
Wait, so can we throw in some buttery biscuits?
Buttery biscuits.
Buttery biscuits and flaky croissants.
Sounds like a deal. So onto the legs of this. So it comes with 4 stainless legs as well. And these are going to be super simple the way these work. You've got a rivet here as a stopper on the inside. So once you get these together, you're just going to push them together and it's going to snap together just like that. Now, we're going to flip this over and we're going to show you exactly how the legs go on this barbecue pit. So you can see we've got 4 holes that are square as well. Now, one side is going to have a plastic foot, and you're simply just going to feed this into that square hole, and then you're going to notice a second one. It's going to go in at a slight angle, and once you get that in there, same thing as when you put the legs together, you're just going to get it going and snap. It's good to go. And then you're going to do all 4 legs. And we're going to go ahead and put this in together, get it out in the backyard, and we're going to get to some grilling. All right, so something that we didn't talk about this, and we didn't know until after we used it, was we just dumped the coals out of this thing. Maybe what, 5 minutes ago?
Not even.
Maybe 5 at most. This thing is ice cold. So something that is really good with the thin stainless steel on this, it heats up quick and it cools down even faster. Guys, don't miss out on this.
It's like a glove.
Good lunch.
Great lunch.
It's even better on what we cooked it on.
Yeah. ICECO, you guys over there knocked it out of the park with that one.
You guys visit icecofreezer.com and make sure you get on one of these, man. These things are awesome. It's lightweight, it's got a bag, it's stainless, it's never gonna rust, it's never gonna fall apart. It's actually really, 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 really good barbecue pit, and I like it a lot.
Comes with the bags, comes with your toolkit, you know, for cooking. So go out there and get yourself this. It's gonna elevate your overlanding or your camping trip. Small, compact, and put it easily away in your rig somewhere and out of sight, out of mind.
Remind the folks where they can find more videos just like this one.
Hey, Florida Trail Stompers is our channel on YouTube. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out all the other product reviews. Again, you know, as you know, this is 2024, so we're gonna be doing a lot more product reviews this year.
Yeah. And until next time,
see you on the trails.